Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians. Paddock Kart Scale Dreams. Hope everyone's doing well. Just wanted to jump on and say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone. Haven't been on in probably a month, just with life stuff thrown in there. Not going to get too much into detail, but we also went on holidays. I'm on holidays. Went to Mexico, got all nice and tanned up, spent a week down there. It was so hot, humid. Then we come back and we drive home in a big snowstorm. So yeah, welcome back to Canada. So anyways, we had a ton of fun there. The daughter, she had a blast swimming, and we were in the ocean. The fish swimming at our feet and all this stuff. It was great. We had a really much needed time away from home and recharge and regroup, and hopefully we're gonna have a great year this year. Hopefully you guys will have a great year this year. So I did want to thank all my subscribers for a great year on the channel here as well. Didn't do a whole lot in terms of finishing any models this year. Got maybe one or two done. I know my daughter also got one finished up for the group build. and despite not finishing, we still had a lot of fun this year. Picked up a lot of new paints and stuff, and been trying using my airbrush for acrylics has been a nice journey this year, learning that. So again, thank you all, my subscribers, for a great year on the channel, and I really appreciate your support. So I'm going to do a quick shout out here for our friend Tim over at Box Stock Garage. Thank you, Tim, for the card. Really cool card. I like the graphics on there. That's really cool. Tim also sent out a Christmas card as well. Sorry, Tim, I didn't send any out. I have a stack of them over there, and I didn't even no, nothing. Anyways, I had intended to, and it just didn't happen. So thank you, Tim, for the card and the sticker. Please go check out Tim's channel if you've never checked it out. He'll appreciate it, and I'd greatly appreciate it as well. So just today we had a great morning. Of course, we were woken up this morning by, Dad, Santa came, look at the presents and all that awesome stuff. She's 4 years old, so she's still right into the Santa stuff. So we did all that, made it a fun morning for her to wake up to. So just wanted to show a couple things that we both got. So she's got this quick build flower power Volkswagen Beetle. She really thought this was cool. She loves the flowers, of course. So we're gonna have fun building this down the road. And pretty simple kit. No glue, no paint, just build, as it says. So this is a really cool, she's going to enjoy this. I'm going to enjoy building it with her. We already built some of her Lego that she got this morning. We still have a couple more to go. She really enjoys the Lego, and I really enjoy building it with her. Lots of fun. And then I got this, the 1968 Coronet. Wanted this one for a while. The Dodge Scat Pack RT MPC kit. This kit seems like it's really full of goodies. So you can see some of the highlights here. I'm sure some of you have seen this before, but I think I might do a box opening on this one. For those who may have not seen it, of course you get your parts overview. Sorry, upside down parts overview. So you can see, I always look at this as soon as I get a kit, I'm like, oh, how many tires do we get? So we get 4 tires, sorry, So you get your full set, trailer set, and then your Firestone drag stick slicks. So as you can see, nice big, if that's true to size compared to this, deco sheet, and of course all your parts. Looks like a great kit. Can't wait to have a look at this one. So yeah, we got the two kits. Of course, we got a bunch of other stuff, but I won't bore you with all the details. But I did just want to jump on and say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays. And that I really appreciate. I can't stress enough how much I appreciate the support from my subscribers and viewers alike, even if you don't subscribe. I know you guys are out there watching as well. Because I think one of my analytics showed, I think 46% are subscribers and the rest are just viewers. So I appreciate you guys too. And hope everyone has a great rest of their holidays and a great Christmas. Yeah, oh, and one other thing is my my group build for 2025, the off-road group build, is coming to a close at the end of this month as well. So if you've built something for that group build and want to be included in the year end or the group build end appreciation for the builders that participated video, like I'm going to do a collage, not a collage, but just going to showcase all the builders that participated. So if you want to be included in that video, make sure you send me at least 5 photos for that. Otherwise, I'll totally forget that you've not forget, but you won't be included in the video. So anyways, send me those pictures if you can. Also want to thank everyone who has sent me photos already. Appreciate you guys. I know there's I think Mark at the I think he's finishing his up. Mediocre Modeler Mark is finishing his up. He should be done this week. So I'm going to wait till he sends me his photos to do the video. So it'll probably be early, first week in January that comes out. I'm going to try and get some work done on a couple projects that I have, the box stock group build Assemblers Unite that Link and Shaggy are hosting. Trying to get some work on that. I'm just so far behind on all of my builds. It's crazy. I still have my USAC from 24 sitting on my desk as well on the side. I need to get that going. Finish that. It's been stalled for a year. We won't talk about that anymore. But yeah, other than that, I've still got some of my older work in progresses that I've got to show. So I'm going to go through those probably the next couple of days. I'll show you another one of those. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, we've been busy. I just haven't made the time to come up and build and make any videos. But I'll try and get back to it more regular. And hope you guys have a great day. Rest of your Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Talk to y'all soon. Pat out. Model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.